SolidWorks Mechanical and SolidWorks PCB communicate to each other via collaboration of the connector. In this example, we have only one configuration inside SolidWorks. But what are we going to do? We're going to look at the board that represents this configuration and go inside SolidWorks PCB and create additional configuration. As you see, there is only one configuration right now, but we are going to go into schematic and add additional configurations. First one we're going to add is going to be the European configuration. And once we add that configuration, we'll be able to create certain variances of it. So European configuration is created. And now inside that configuration, we can select certain components and make them fitted or not. In this case, I'm taking the connector for power and one capacitor that I'm going to be uninstalling using unfitted option. And now I'm going to create additional configuration inside SolidWorks PCB for South American configuration. And once this configuration is created, I can now change some of the components that will be not fitted. In this case, I'm going to take P2 and P3 connectors and make them not installed, or what we call unfitted. And next, we're going to select PS2 capacitor and also make it not fitted. Once that is created, configuration variances are inside SolidWorks PCB. Now, if we can look at it, notice that there are certain components are not installed for certain configurations. And now it's time to transfer all of this information back to SolidWorks Mechanical. We will use the configurator by saying that we created two configurations, and now we're going to push those configurations back inside SolidWorks Mechanical. Now we can preview what has been done during these changes, and then after that we can select all of the components, which I'm doing it right now, and I'm going to accept all of the changes. Once that happens, it updates inside SolidWorks Mechanical configuration, and now you'll see that now inside this configuration we have created additional ones. Here's the default configuration. Here's the European configuration when power connector and capacitor is removed. And here's the South American when we remove two connectors on the side and the capacitors. So as you can see, it's very easy to create these configurations.